The GIC, Guaranteed Investment Certificate, program is a financial requirement for many international students applying for a study permit in Canada. Here's an overview of the process of obtaining a GIC for a Canadian study visa. Research participating financial institutions. The first step is to research and identify the financial institutions in Canada that offer the GIC program approved by the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. As of my last update, the participating financial institutions include Scotiabank, Assisi Bank, SBI Canada Bank, and others. Choose a GIC program and open a bank account. Once you've selected a participating financial institution, you need to choose a specific GIC program offered by that institution. Each program may have different terms and conditions, such as the required deposit amount and interest rate. After selecting a program, you'll need to open a bank account with the chosen institution. Deposit funds. To fulfill the GIC requirement, you'll need to deposit the specified amount of money into the bank account you've opened as part of the GIC program. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on the institution and program but is typically around CAD $10,000. Receive GIC certificate. After you've deposited the required funds, the financial institution will issue you a GIC certificate as proof of your investment. This certificate is an important document that you'll need to include in your study permit application. Apply for study permit. With your GIC certificate and other required documents, you can proceed to apply for a study permit through the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, website or at a visa application center, VAC, in your country. The GIC certificate demonstrates to the Canadian authorities that you have the financial resources to support yourself during your studies in Canada. Wait for processing. After submitting your study permit application, you'll need to wait for it to be processed by IRCC. Processing times can vary depending on your location and other factors. Receive study permit. If your study permit application is approved, you will receive your study permit, which allows you to study in Canada. Make sure to review the conditions of your study permit, including any restrictions on working while studying. Activate GIC account. Once you arrive in Canada, you can activate your GIC account with the financial institution where you deposited your funds. This typically involves visiting a branch of the bank in person and providing identification and other necessary documents. Access GIC funds. Depending on the terms of the GIC program you chose, you may be able to access a portion of your GIC funds immediately upon arrival in Canada, with the remainder being disbursed in installments over a specified period. It's important to note that the GIC program is just one component of the financial requirements for a Canadian study permit, and you'll also need to demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to cover your tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs associated with studying in Canada. Be sure to carefully review the requirements and guidelines provided by IRCC and consult with a qualified immigration professional if you have any questions or concerns. Hope this video is more informative for you, so don't forget to like, comment, share the video, who may need it, and subscribe our channel for more updates.